Hey there, fellow gamers! Today, I'm excited to share an incredible discovery I made, a secret online method to get Archero 2 free gems and Archero 2 free coins added directly to your account. I was intrigued and decided to test it out. The first step was to gather my game username and the current number of gems and coins in my account. Once I had that, I went online and entered the details into the platform. A verification task soon appeared, which required me to download a game and play it until I reached level 9. Depending on your location, the task might differ, but the process is simple. Just follow the instructions, complete the task, and you'll be verified. I did exactly that, and within minutes, I was verified. I checked my Archero 2 account, and sure enough, the free gems and free coins were there. This Archero 2 gems hack is absolutely legit and works like magic. If you're searching for Archero 2 cheats or Archero 2 free gems links, this is the real deal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out for yourself.